Hello, Dirksen staff and students. Today is Monday, March 2nd, 2015. My name is Tatiana.
And I'm Katie. If you would, please stand for a moment of silence and the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Today we have a few announcements, so I'm going to turn it over to Tatiana.
We have reached the end of our Golden Ticket Challenge. If you would, join me in a round of applause for the following classrooms to reach 40 golden tickets. In kindergarten, room 102. From 1-2, Miss Elsner's classroom is 108. From 3-4, Miss Contrell's classroom is 202. And finally, Miss Camacho's class, congrats for showing the respectful, responsible, and safe behavior.
Attention to anyone who has signed up for Rocketry Club, please meet after school today in room 105. Everyone who signed up made it into the club.
Each week, students are nominated by staff members as the Students of the Week. This week, we have new students who are constantly showing respectful, responsible, and safe behavior. The winners this week are, drumroll please,
Lucy Clark in morning kindergarten.
Takeomi in Love in afternoon kindergarten.
In second grade, Osvaldo Dorado.
In third grade, Sidaf Adini.
And finally, Raha Uday in fifth grade. Congrats to all our winners. Please come down to the office to have your picture taken.
Make a Difference Club is looking for your extra change. We are collecting coins in the green St. Baldrick's jar in each classroom. The money will be donated to find a cure for sick children. The classroom that collects the most money will get a prize.
Today is going to be cold. It is currently 13 degrees with a high of 23.
Tomorrow is going to be warmer with a high of 37.
Last night, the Bulls fell to the Clippers 86-96. They will be playing again tonight against the Wizards.
Tonight, the Blackhawks will be taking on the Hurricanes at 7:30.
Unfortunately, that is all the time we have for you today. So with that, my name is Katie.
And I'm Tatiana. Have a great day.